Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you're well. Welcome back channel. I'm in this new video. Okay, so let's stride. Stoicism, a philosophy rooted in reason, discipline, and emotional resilience, provides a timeless framework for navigating relationships. Interacting with women, or anyone for that matter, is an area where Stoic principles can offer significant guidance. Stoicism teaches men to act with integrity, respect, and self-control, while avoiding behaviors that undermine relationships or personal character. Below are key aspects of what a man should not do with women, as viewed through the lens of Stoicism. Do not disrespect her autonomy. A fundamental principle in Stoicism is recognizing what is within our control and what is not. A woman's thoughts, decisions, and feelings are entirely. Do not be dishonest. Honesty is a cornerstone of Stoic ethics. Dishonesty, whether in the form of lies, deceit, or omission, erodes trust and integrity. In relationships with women, dishonesty often leads to misunderstandings, resentment, and a loss of respect. A Stoic man values truth and transparency, understanding that integrity is more important than momentary gain or avoiding difficult conversations. This doesn't mean being blunt or hurtful, but rather expressing oneself authentically and with consideration for the other person's feelings. Do not ignore. Do not act out of anger. Anger is considered a destructive emotion in Stoicism, leading to irrational decisions and harmful actions. Acting out of anger, whether through words or deeds, can damage relationships and create lasting pain. Marcus Aurelius advises in Meditations to pause and reflect when anger arises, recognizing it as a temporary emotion that does not serve us. A Stoic man maintains composure, addressing conflicts calmly and rationally rather than letting anger dictate his behavior. Do not objectify or devalue her. Stoicism emphasizes treating others with dignity and respect. Do not overlook personal growth. A Stoic man recognizes that his journey of self-improvement is ongoing. Relationships should not become an excuse to stagnate or neglect personal growth. Likewise, one should not expect a woman to shoulder the burden of fixing his flaws or providing constant validation. By continually striving for self-improvement, a Stoic man ensures that he brings his best self to the relationship, contributing to its growth and stability. Conclusion. Stoicism provides valuable insights into how men should conduct themselves in relationships with women. By adhering to principles such as respect, honesty, empathy, and self-control, a man can build meaningful, respectful, and harmonious connections. Avoiding harmful behaviors not only strengthens relationships, but also reinforces personal character and integrity.